Hey everyone, it's so good to be here with you today. Did you know that just 5 minutes of yoga can totally change your whole day? We're talking about feeling calmer, more focused, and way more energized. Yoga is like this awesome secret weapon for feeling amazing, both in your body and your mind. And guess what? You don't have to be a super bendy pretzel person to do it. So, are you ready to dive in and see how yoga can transform your life? Let's go. Okay, let's be honest. Studying can be tough, right? Sometimes it feels like your brain is just full. Well, that's where yoga comes in. Instead of letting anxious thoughts take over, what if you could just take a few deep breaths, find your center, and actually absorb the information? That's the power of yoga. Even just a few minutes of yoga before you hit the books can make a world of difference. Okay, real talk, being a teenager comes with its fair share of stress, right? School, friends, family, social media. It can feel like you're constantly juggling a million things at once. But hold on, take a deep breath with me. Yoga is like a superpower for calming your mind and finding your inner peace, even when life feels totally chaotic. We're talking deep belly breaths that melt away tension, gentle movements that release all that pent-up energy, and a sense of calm that radiates from within. If you're enjoying the content and finding these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exciting and informative videos. Alright, let's talk about getting strong and flexible. Yoga is like a secret weapon for building strength from the inside out. We're talking about building strength in your core, your back, and all those little stabilizing muscles that help you move with more grace and power. Yoga helps you find that amazing balance between strength and flexibility. So whether you're an athlete looking to improve your performance or just want to feel more confident and capable in your own skin, yoga can help you get there. Let's be real. Getting enough sleep is crucial, especially when you're juggling school, friends, and everything else life throws your way. But sometimes it feels like your mind is racing a million miles a minute, and sleep is just a distant dream. Yoga can work its magic here too. Think of it like a gentle lullaby for your nervous system, calming your mind and easing your body into a state of deep relaxation. Imagine this. Instead of scrolling through social media endlessly, you spend a few minutes doing some gentle stretches and deep breathing exercises. One of the most incredible things about yoga is how it helps you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. It's about connecting with your body, appreciating its strength and uniqueness, and learning to love and accept yourself exactly as you are. Think about it. When you stand tall in warrior pose, feeling strong and grounded, it's hard not to feel a surge of confidence welling up inside. Yoga teaches you that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up for yourself day after day and discovering the incredible power and potential that lies within you. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome yoga content, and let me know in the comments below which pose you're most excited to try. Thanks for being here, and remember, you are amazing. See you next time. If you liked this video, be sure to like it and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to share more with you.